Hit him, I will kick your ass, you know that, right?
I hit him already.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You hit the wrong person. You hit Christian.
Who's... Alright.
You pulled Christian's hair. And after that, he commented to me every day saying, I heart your dad.
Oh, really?
Heart.
That's really nice. No.
Get out of my room!
What is that? Put it through. Yeah. You try to end your fist here, all the way here. No, no.
Let me off! Go away!
Let me off.
Let me off, like, let me off. Oh, no.
I'll show you one more time.
No! Here, Emma, let him show you how to hit.
No. What the fuck are you doing? Ow!
See how it's all brown right there?
What are you, girl? Sick fucking bitch. Look it. When you punch,
No!
I'll tell you one
I'll
more
hit
time.
you with my music playing pillow.
Give me the pillow.
No.
Give me the pillow.
No.
Give me the pillow. All right. When you punch. When you punch, you don't punch to here. No, you punch to here. You see the difference? You aim past. And you did it again. You aim for a spot beyond there, to here, all the way through. I give up. You're still doing it. No, you don't go like this. You try to... Get away. Get away. What are you doing?
Filming it?
Your punch, not to here. You go like this. You punch through. Ow. I gotta go. No, this ain't happening.